Hey, Eric Sider here, and exciting day. We got the chicks home for the urban chicken tractor on steroids. It's about 10 to 12 birds. I got 13 barred rocks just in case. There's always a chance you're gonna have a couple of roosters. So unfortunately in the suburbs we can't have roosters. Should be good to go. They're usually about a 80% success rate for getting females. They've been in the car for about an hour, so they definitely need to get put in here. We got fresh bedding, wood shavings down, we got their chick starter crumble, and we got their water and their other water that's got the electrolytes and the probiotics in there, just to get them off on a good start. So we're going to get them in there. We got their light. Now this garage is a mess, everything's in transition. I've left the project I was working on. You got a whole reorganization of the garage happening. I mean, I got solar panels, bikes, it's just a mess. But we got this 100-gallon stock tank on wheels, so I can move it around if necessary. It's gonna be a good home for them for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And as my friend Billy from Permaculture Farms recommended, just give them a dip into the water as you put them in the brooder, just so they know where the water is. And now these guys look like there might be a difference in age, like maybe some of them are a week older than the others, but it's alright, they'll work out in the end. So pretty much they're adorable till about a week and a half, and then they turn into their little ugly dinosaur selves. See, this guy's definitely much bigger than the other guys. You can see clearly we got probably a week old and a couple days old. Alright, they're all in, ready to go. Like I said, should be here about 2 to 3 weeks, and then out making compost.